Hello students, welcome to Krishnas Maths. आज probability फोर्थ वीडियो नहीं आसছে या पूर्व probability 1 2 3 आपनकर अपलोड हो सारी जदि किए नुआ आसथिबे चैनल रे से माने प्लेलिस्ट को जाई probability 1 2 3 वीडियो देखि नियंतु बहुत हेल्पफुल हेबो। नेक्स्ट probability फोर्थ वीडियो स्टार्ट करिया। फोर्थ प्रथम क्वेश्चन होचे सेम पैटर्न हमर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मार्क्स एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विल बी ऑफ 6 मार्क्स। सेम पैटर्न हमें फॉलो करछु एंड ईच चैप्टर हमें 4 वीडियो अपलोड करछु, राइट। तो डिटरमिनेंट मैट्रिसेस या पूर्व अपलोड हो सारी जदि देखि नांती जाई प्लेलिस्ट रे देखि नेबे। चैनल रे नुआ थिले चैनल को शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक कर देबे और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को जॉइन करके और पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिए। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। So P of A is given as 1 by 2, A intersection B 1 by 3. What is the probability of A minus B complement? So look, कौन given अच्छी? Given अच्छी कि probability of A is equal to 1 by 2 and P of A intersection B and this is equal to 1 by 3. Then what is the probability of A minus B complement? So A minus B complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A minus B. So this is 1 minus probability of A minus B is probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. So दुईटी फॉर्मूला यूज होची probability of कोई भी सेटर जे कोन सेटर कॉम्प्लीमेंट अछि माने 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी कर देबे आ A माइनस B रो प्रोबेबिलिटी होची A माइनस तारा कॉमन एलिमेंट माने इंटरसेक्शन एलिमेंट। सो दिस इज 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A इज 1 by 2, B is 1 by 3. तो 1 minus 1 by 3 will be equal to 3 minus 2 upon LCM 6. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 6 and that is equal to 5 by 6. एटा आपनकर आंसर। So probability of A minus B complement equal to 5 by 6. एक मार्क क्वेश्चन 2010 रास्ते एग्जाम जीवा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को what the next question is, what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads in a single toss of unbiased coins? 2 unbiased coins, दुईटा कॉइन हमें टॉस करछे। सिंस 2 coins are tossed, सैंपल स्पेस कौन हो H H, head tail, tail head, tail tail. This is what the sample space. दुईटा head पारे या head tail, tail head, head head. So therefore n of s is equal to 4. How many heads required? Exactly 2 heads. How many heads? 2 heads. So how many such cases are there? गोटे केस अच्छे तो n of a equal to 1. So p of a will be equal to p of a माने दुईटी head मिलवार probability. This will be n of a divided by n of s. So n of a is 1, n of s is 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. Let's move to the third question. A and B are two events such that P of A is equal to 3 by 8, A intersection B is equal to 1 by 4. So A intersection B complement. So probability of A intersection B complement equal to co-setter complement नहीं A रना है. So A रू तारा इंटरसेक्शन माइनस करे A माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. एटा मन रखे ए आपन फॉर्मूला A इंटरसेक्शन B कंप्लीमेंट इज A माइनस माने दुईटी सेट अछि, गोटे सेटर कंप्लीमेंट अछि आ गोटे सेटर कंप्लीमेंट नाही. तो एमती केस रे कोन करिए जो सेटर कंप्लीमेंट नाही सेइथिरु दुईटा जगर इंटरसेक्शन माइनस करिवे. तो को सेटर कंप्लीमेंट नाही A रे नाही तो A माइनस दुईटा इंटरसेक्शन. तो A इज गिवन एज 3 by 8, A इंटरसेक्शन गिवन एज 1 by 4. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 by 8 माइनस 2 रे ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर देबे तो ये बन जाएगा 2 by 8. 3 by minus 2 will be 1 by 8. So this is the answer. So this is again a 1 mark question. Now come to next question. What the next question is? P of A equal to 0.6, B by A is equal to 0.5. Find A union B when A and B are independent. Since A and B are independent, P of A equal to 0.6, P of B by A is equal to 0.5, and since A and B are independent, P of B by A will be equal to P of B and that is equal to 0.5, and since independent, A intersection B will be equal to P of A into P of B. So what is P of A? P of A will be equal to 0.6, P of B is equal to 0.5, so 0.30. This is A intersection B. Now what is required? कौन दरकार है? P of A union B. What is the addition formula? Addition formula is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So what is P of A given? P of A is 0.6. What is P of B? That is 0.5. P of A intersection B is 0.30. So 0.5 plus 0, so this will be 1.1 minus 0.30. So this is equal to 0.80 or 0.8. This is what the next question is. Now come to one more. 3 persons hit a target with probabilities 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Let the persons be A, B and C. Given that P of A hitting the target is 1 by 2, P of B hitting the target is 1 by 3 and P of C hitting the target is 1 by 4. Now if each one shoots at the target once, प्रति जने टार्गेट को गोटे थमरे हिट कला, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट माने कोन हो, शूट कला और टार्गेट को हिट करि पले ने मिस कला, that is P of A complement, that is 1 minus probability of A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 and that is equal to 1 by 2. So this is probability of hitting the target and this is probability of missing the target. Similarly, probability of B complement equal to 1 minus probability of B, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 and that is equal to 2 by 3. This is B missing the target, and probability of C missing the target equal to 1 minus probability of C equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. This is what probability of C missing the target. Now the first question is, find the probability that exactly one of them hits the target. All try simultaneously. If A hit the target, B and C cannot hit the target. C complement. A hitting the target but not B and C. Exactly one of them. Plus probability of B hitting the target whereas A and C cannot hit the target. Plus probability of C hitting the target where A and B cannot hit the target. So this is equal to A hitting the target. First one hit the target, second and third miss the target. In the second case, B hitting the target whereas A and C do not hit the target, and in third case C hitting the target where A and B missing the target. So what is, since all are independent events, this intersection will convert into product. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B complement is 2 by 3 into P of C complement is 3 by 4. So this is the first part. Plus P of A complement is 1 by 2 into probability of P, which is 1 by 3, and probability of C complement, and that is equal to 3 by 4. Plus probability of C is 1 by 4, A complement is 1 by 2, B complement is 2 by 3. So this is equal to 3 and 3, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is 1 by 4 plus 3 gets cancelled. So this will be 1 by 8 plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This will be 1 by 12. LCM कैसे करिए 24 कर दो, 24 by 4 will be 6, 8 will be 3, 12 will be 2, 9 plus 2, 11 upon 24. This is the answer of the first question. And what the second part is, if only one of them hits the target, then what is the probability that was the first person? That was the first person. So this is one of them hitting the target. If the first person hits the target, then the probability will be 1 by 4. So first person hitting the target divided by all hitting the target. तो न्यूमरेटर में ये आएगा and denominator में ये आएगा. First person hitting the target is P of A intersection B complement intersection C complement divided by any one of them hitting the target is answer of first question. Answer of first question. So this is equal to numerator 1 by 4 divided by 11 upon 24. तो 4 से कट कर दियो 6 है, तो 6 upon 11 is the answer of the second question. Correct? तो गोटे 6 mark question, गोटे 3 mark question, आउ 3टी 1 mark question. So this is the pattern we are following. तो ये होची probability रो फोर्थ वीडियो. या पूर्व आम प्रोबेबिलिटी 3टा वीडियो अपलोड कर सारी. सबू वीडियो आपको केते क्वेश्चन मिलियो, 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, केते 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन, केते 6 मार्क रो क्वेश्चन मिलियो. सबू प्रैक्टिस करिवे, सबू एक्युमुलेट करके प्रैक्टिस करिवे. या पर टेक्स्ट बुक रे कुछ इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखि नेबे. मु सबू कलेक्ट करके आपन पे इंपोर्टेंट कांसेप्ट सहित सबू कांसेप्ट को कवर करके क्वेश्चन नहीं कर. ये क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कला पर आपन बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आछो कि हमें एग्जाम रे ए टाइप रो क्वेश्चन आयो एंड वी कैन हिट दैट एंड सॉल्व दैट इन लेस टाइम. तो जदि मो चैनल रे नुआ अछंती तो मो चैनल को शेयर कर देबे, लाइक कर देबे, सब्सक्राइब कर देबे, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को जॉइन करिक पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कर देबे। ओके, तो से पर्यंत नेक्स्ट वीडियो नहीं के आसबे और ता पर्यंत पढ़ु थांतु, भल पढ़ंतु, बापा मांगर ना उज्जवल करंतु, आउ मो सहित थांतु टू वॉच कृष्णास मैथ्स। एंड टिल देन बाय बाय एंड गुड लक।